Every box begins here, where grain meets morning light.
Precision farming turns sunlight into sustenance. Harvest is the moment potential becomes raw material. Inside the machine, separation happens in seconds. Clean wheat is captured for the next journey. Efficiency keeps the harvest moving without pause.
Quality is verified before wheat ever leaves the field.
Moisture levels decide milling success.
The harvest leaves the land, but not its origins. First stop, secure storage close to the source. Gravity begins wheat's industrial path. Flow is controlled, measured, and constant.
From field to storage, the foundation is set.
Moving millions of boxes starts with moving millions of grains. Bulk transport keeps raw materials efficient and intact.
Every load is sealed for traceability.
The journey shifts from farm roads to industrial routes. Scale demands coordination far beyond the field. Raw grain arrives where transformation begins.
Every delivery is logged before entry.
Precise weights protect process accuracy.
Data drives every downstream decision.
Alignment ensures clean, controlled unloading. Gravity hands the grain to automation. Clean transport protects both product and people. The factory takes control of the grain.
Before milling, purity is enforced.
Invisible safeguards protect massive machinery. Air becomes a tool of separation. Waste is captured before it spreads. Density defines quality. Only the best moves on. Vision systems inspect at impossible speeds. Milliseconds decide acceptance or rejection. Flow is balanced before milling. Controlled motion preserves consistency. Elevation prepares the grain for treatment.
Grain is prepared, not rushed.
Now, the real transformation can begin. Here, structure is broken down with precision.
Breaking releases what milling needs most.
Separation happens layer by layer. Nothing moves forward unfinished. Refinement defines texture. Air replaces belts at this scale. Milling feeds formulation. Accuracy here defines every box. Balance is engineered, not guessed. Consistency is built through motion. Human oversight still matters.
The recipe is now complete.
Now it's ready to become a product. Even flow ensures even filling. Final safeguards protect the consumer. Nothing unwanted escapes detection.
Small amounts, massive impact.
Uniformity is confirmed, not assumed.
Every batch leaves a data trail.
Product meets the packing line. Consistency is maintained automatically. Measured flow begins the final transformation. Invisible forces are kept in check. No pauses, no surges. Machines speak a common language.
Automation takes over from here.
Packaging begins with precision folding. Geometry matters at speed.
Every rotation delivers accuracy.
Clean filling protects quality. Every box proves its accuracy. Errors are removed instantly. Seals are formed in motion. Strength is locked in. Traceability is permanent. Machines verify what humans cannot see. Flow is balanced again.
Robots handle the repetition.
Individual boxes become shippable units.
Order is essential before stacking begins.
Automation builds stability layer by layer.
Grip strength replaces human strain. Patterns prevent collapse in transit. Each layer is verified. Stability is engineered between layers.
Thousands of breakfasts, one pallet.
Protection begins immediately.
Containment ensures safe travel. Identity travels with every load. Finished goods enter distribution flow. Inventory waits for demand.
The final journey is about to begin.
Quality is proven, not assumed.
Random sampling keeps standards honest.
Protection matters as much as contents.
Uniformity begins at the eye. Moisture controls shelf life. Texture defines performance. Smooth flow ensures smooth filling.
Composition is verified instantly.
Safety is tested beyond sight.
Data decides release.
Only approved product moves forward.
Quality clears the path.
From proof to permission. Approved products move toward the exit. Every pallet has a destination.
Timing keeps logistics flowing. Transfer points demand precision. Clean transport preserves quality. Balance prevents damage in transit. Stability is locked in. Paperwork moves product legally.
Integrity is sealed.
The factory releases its work.
The cycle resets immediately.
Production never truly sleeps.
Millions of boxes are already on the move.
Distribution connects production to people. From factory to network.
Speed matters after production.
Demand shapes direction.
Some journals cross oceans.
Space is used with intent.
Global movement begins.
Scale defines modern supply chains.
Products travel farther than ever before. Closer to the consumer.
From factory floor to family kitchens.
Every box carries the same process.
And this is how modern factories produce pancake mix from start to finish.